This year, we've already battled through different issues throughout the preseason. Be it players, be it team things, whatever it is, we've already been able to, as a staff, address the team. And as a team, the guys have already had to say, hey, we have to pick it up. We have 12 seniors in the team this year, and a huge portion of them have played a ton of minutes, or they're incredible leaders. So non-conference, we stacked it as best we could to say we've got the leadership and we have the talent in the program to hit it head on. The guys ran one of the neatest classroom sessions that I've been a part of, where, again, to go back and reference our seniors, they led a session on how to be successful this year and the pathways in which we'll get there. And the bottom line that it kept coming back to was, be successful by pushing yourself daily, improving daily, and trying to do something that you haven't done before daily.